Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my video. Thank you. We're looking to Ethereum. Yeah, before we look to Ethereum, we look to Bitcoin. Yeah, you can see we have this formation, and I expect that we will go a little bit to the top side. I think it could happen that we go here to these levels 35, 36, $37,000. Yeah, and if this happened, then we are at these levels, and this is negative for us. We will go here to the downside. But personally, I think we will go to these levels here, 35, 34, and then the price will fall to the downside. But you can see at the Bitcoin price, 1000 to the top side or 2000 to the downside is not so interesting. You have to look to the general trend, and the general trend is looking to the downside. I have here a picture. That is what we expect here. Yeah, tsunami, and you are in the middle of this, and you have to look how you can swim here from this tsunami away. So let's look to the Ethereum part. You can see we have here this channel, and the dangerous constellation is um, to fall here to these levels back. Something like that, that the price really dumped to 1500. Makes sense. This was also my prediction, but we have to look short term that the price could, let me check, if we move here to this level, that the price could hit here the 2000, yes, I think 2000, 2001, 2100 levels, yeah. So, because I not see here a positive um, formation here. You can see we have here our base. That means we test this level here one time, two time, three time, and it could happen that if we fall here to this downside, that we retest this area, yeah, and then at Ethereum the big fall is beginning to 1200. This is hard to believe, but it is the fact, and you can see at these levels we have the next resistance here or support at 1200. It is difficult to understand why the price is falling here, but you can understand this if you look to the whole chart. Then you can recognize that we are at the Bitcoin price here in a really bad situation. Look at that. Yeah, this is one of the worst chart that you can ever see here, because you have here inverted left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and the price will dump. Yeah, the chart is jumping in your eyes. Yeah, and say, please look. It's a dangerous situation. Yeah, so I'm not understand these moon boys and greenhorns why they predict here prices in direction of uh, 50,000 or 60,000. We have not the situation here at the moment. Yeah, maybe later, but not now. So the price will come to 13,000 or something like this levels, and at the Ethereum, I would say if we first break the level here of 1700, if 1700 is fall, yeah, then next level is 1500, retest back to 1200. Yeah, after that I think we could get here a retest of this some levels here, make a retest of this same game what we have here, and then if we're not coming to the top side here, then the big fall is beginning here. Yeah. So it's not so easy to understand why the price is falling. especially if you look to the Ethereum price end of, or here in these levels here, you can see that our base is at levels of the 760, yeah, and you can see that we have here our level above, level below, and you can recognize also that we have here starting our trend to the top side. So I'm not wondering if we coming back to 800 or 780, or if coming is very worse, that we look going to 366, something like that. Hard to believe, I understand, yeah, for Ethereum holder, but this is the fact. Let me check. If this is not happening, then I would say, let me check. 580 is all possible. Yeah. Between them and them, the price of Ethereum will stop. Yeah. Today it's not so clear in which area we can stop, but we have here, I would say, three stop areas. One stop is here 1200, what I not believe. Second is 750. This was my first prediction. But if Bitcoin goes to 12,000 or 13,000 levels, then you can forget this 750. The price will fall to 370, yeah, something like that, or 350, because we have really the uh, not the good chart technical performance here in this channel, in this chart. So if you say, okay, in which direction Ethereum can go, maybe late or something like that, then I can say to you the direction is something like that. Then we will go here to the top side. Forget the timeline. I'm not looking at the moment to the timeline. Yeah, you can see then we will hit here the 8,000, but we need this time to make this. And even if you look here, even the 8,000 is very cheap. You can see, I would say, if I look to Ethereum, then the price will go in direction of 14,000. But at the moment we have not the right time. Yeah, the time will come. The price will go to 14,000. But at the moment this is not the right time. Yeah. So maybe in the end of the bull market we will see the prices, but the world wants your money. That means, or your pieces of crypto. Um, let's check. They want that they buy here at these levels and sell at 14,000 or 8,000. So I think at the moment we have here very bad situation at the Ethereum price. And especially if you look, the trend is broke. That means this is the trend. Yeah, if you look, if you make here a line and say, okay, this is my trend to the top side, yeah, you break the trend here, very clear. So think about this and not believe the moon channels. Have a nice day.